It's time for Happy Hour, presented by Maine Spirits. What's up? Welcome to Happy Hour, where I, a former bartender, teach you, someone who likes cocktails, how to make delicious cocktails at home. This week will be no exception in that all those things will happen, and that it will also be delicious. So, we're going to make a gin basil martini this week. I love gin. I think it's a very flavorful spirit. It's often shrouded under sweet tonic, but if you bring it out on its own, there's some delicious flavors. And there are great gins made locally, which we're going to use one of for this drink. So let's get our tool chest together here. We're going to need a shaker full of ice, a muddler, a strainer, and a cocktail glass. For ingredients, we are going to need Bimini gin, lime, simple syrup, ice, and now let's get down to brass tacks and let's make this cocktail in a shaker full of ice. Please add 3 ounces of Bimini gin, the juice from a whole lime, 1/4 ounce simple syrup, and then a handful of fresh basil leaves, like a healthy handful of fresh basil leaves. Get them in there. Now start muddling it. Take that muddler and really, really beat it up there. Get the leaves broken apart. And once you're feeling like you've got the leaves kind of broken up in there, then put the top on and shake it. Give it a really good shake. A really, really good shake until it's almost too cold to hold. It hurts. Okay, go ahead and put it down. Now you can take an extra strainer here to strain out all the little bits of leaves, which some people like to do. I kind of like the little bits of basil floating around in it, so that's what we're going to do. Now just take your regular strainer, put it on top, strain it into your cocktail glass, and stand back and look at it, admire it. It's kind of green. It's kind of neat. And now, let's take a sip. That's some tasty shit. The gin basil martini, good for all seasons. You can find Bimini gin on the shelves of your favorite liquor dispensary. It is locally made. It is fantastic. It also tastes great with a nice tonic, or tastes good with any tonic, because it's just a good tasting gin. They do a good job. This has been Happy Hour. I appreciate you joining us. And as always, please drink deliciously and, most importantly, responsibly.